Leveraging 20 years of industry expertise, TPM3D adheres to the highest EU safety standards in crafting the S-Series Excellent Edition laser sintering systems. With various model sizes, single or dual lasers, and both regular and ultra-high temperatures, these systems address diverse user applications. Standard features include built-in nitrogen generator, smoke filtration module, oxygen concentration monitoring module, and active cooling module. The integrated nitrogen generator ensures ample nitrogen supply. The smoke filtration module effectively filters smoke. Real-time oxygen concentration monitoring enhances operational safety, and the patented active cooling technology enables the system to enter a cooling phase automatically post-printing, improving efficiency and enabling infinite recycling powder. The S-Series devices comply with international standards, attaining the highest safety level and securing TÜV CE certification from Germany's Rhineland. The S600DL stands out as the industry's largest dual laser nylon SLS device, boasting a forming cylinder size of 600 by 600 by 800 millimeters, equipped with two 140-watt high-performance carbon dioxide lasers and employing intelligent collaborative scanning strategies. It generates different scanning patterns based on data distribution. The wider collaborative area of the two lasers ensures layer-by-layer offsetting in joining areas, preventing weak joint strength. With its large forming size and high cost effectiveness, the S600DL is ideal for use in automotive, aerospace, and construction industries. The S320HT, an ultra-high temperature printer up to 350 degrees Celsius, allowing stable printing of materials like PEEK and PEKK, making it the preferred choice for research and development and printing high-temperature, high-performance materials. TPM3D provides users with a comprehensive sintering solution, complemented by the efficient all-in-one powder cleaning and management device. PPS integrates 6 functions: part cleaning, dust collection, powder filtering, new energy dispensing, blending, and automatic powder supply, significantly reducing environmental powder leakage, minimizing labor input, and achieving automated online powder supply for easier and more efficient part cleaning and powder handling. In addition to the S-Series, TPM3D has developed the P-Series Performance Edition and E-Series Economic Edition devices. The P-Series, meeting China safety standards, delivers the same print quality and efficiency as the S-Series, featuring the medium-sized single laser device P360 and the large-sized dual laser device P550DL. The recent launched E360 in 2023 is an affordable industrial-grade laser sintering device for small and medium-sized enterprises. Both the P and E series devices primarily target the Asian market, catering to diverse user demands for print quality and cost-effectiveness. TPM3D's industrial-grade laser sintering additive manufacturing systems, built on leading manufacturing processes and safety standards, deliver outstanding performance and stable, efficient production capacities, bring more value for users in industries such as automotive, electronics, healthcare, service bureau. TPM3D, built different.